Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I literally just filmed this intro now and I realized my mic wasn't on. So let's do it again. I don't really have a lot to say. We're just gonna play it with some new makeup, a little bit of indie makeup. I'm really excited. Some duochrome or multi-chrome shadows, I think they're called. I just started contouring one cheek. Sorry, I got that far and then I realized my mic wasn't on. We're gonna go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's do this. Wait, on my face, I'll tell you really quick. I have the Conceal and Define in F2 from Revolution, and then Milani Conceal and Perfect in 00AA. My concealer is the Milani Conceal and Perfect in Nude Ivory. I primed with the No Pore Primer from Shop Miss A, and then my brows are the Brow Gel in Taupe, also from Shop Miss A, AOA Studio. And now we are going to contour with this e.l.f. Contour and Forever Sun Kissed. It's one of their primer infused bronzers, and I'm going to use my AOA F14. I was just telling you guys about how my, as always, anxiety is going and my face is a little bit swollen. We had a tree cut down in our front yard yesterday, and today it was just like leaning towards the house. Thankful to have that guy out of here, but it created some stressed cats. And, you know, my kittens are my everything, so I just already been on a little bit non-stop anxiety. It comes in waves. Not to talk about it too much. I feel like I talk about it way too much, but I feel like it helps me when I hear other people talk about having anxiety or depression because it makes me feel less alone. Hopefully this video isn't a million minutes long. I did my base and my brows before filming just to kind of cut down a little bit because I've been trying to make my tutorials a little bit more in depth and slowed down for you guys. I don't know, you guys seem to enjoy those. Even though my fashion videos are still doing way better than my makeup videos, I feel like you guys are liking the makeup videos more than you were, so that makes me happy. I'm gonna clean up a little bit really quick with this Visions Formula Mineral Correcting Powder in Translucent. If you guys have any powders that are cruelty-free that you love for your under eye, will you let me know? Because I need to find a replacement for this because of Physicians Formula no longer being cruelty-free. And I'm just trying to do my best to purchase as much cruelty-free as I can. So how are you guys? How is life? How's it going? What's going on? Let me know. I always want to hear how you guys are doing. Okay, so for eyes today, let me find my, I want to use, I still didn't look it up. Ditto, neon palette, because oh my goodness, she's beautiful. I have some multi-chrome shadows from Dawn Eyes Cosmetics that I ordered myself. A lot of you guys were tagging me and telling me to try Chaos makeup, but both were just a little bit out of my price range. So, found some stuff. The pastel ones have a flip, total flip too. Ooh, you can see it. It's just not as obvious because it's not as dark, but wow, I think I want to use this one. Okay, so I think I have my mind made up of doing a more pastel eye, but we will do an eye like this at another time, I think. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This one is in Rose, which is a little bit darker than my skin tone. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Dido Neon Palette. Start with Azure, I think is how you say it, which is this minty kind of azure shade. And I'm just gonna kind of tilt my head back and pat that in because my lids are still tacky, and that'll give me a little more pigment than I would have gotten otherwise if I would have just went in and blended. It makes it a little less patchy, I found, actually. Oh, she is pigmented. Look at that. Yikes. Girl, are any of these like not supposed to be used on your eyes? Does it say? Almost all the shades contain a color not approved for the eye area. So all but the last two. That's fine. That's fine. That's what you get with bright shades like this. It's very, very common these days. I'm sure you guys have noticed. Hi, cutie. Hi, sweet baby. I'm gonna go with a little bit of my face powder on my brows because there is not a cream brow. Oops, I just got that right in the blue area of this color corrector. I thought this was going to be a little bit more blue. I'm gonna just tap into Sky. Just a little bit, boop, boop. Tiny bit, tap off, and put that in there. See if that... This blender I'm using is the E126 from AOA Studio, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same shade on the lower lash line. I'm gonna do, I went in it, and then I'm gonna go a little bit into the blue and just buff that on the lower lash line. You're doing bright today, girl. Gosh, I always mix everything. I'm sorry, guys. I think I'm gonna mix this guy, grape, and agate. And I'm just placing that in the crease. I feel like this is a makeup look I would have done like as a scene kid and been like super stoked. Pink and the purple on the lower lash line, just out here. Just like right there. This is just a cut crease canvas from Evolution per usual. This one is in Halo. I'll put some on the back of my hand. I feel like I never spend the time to make my cut creases perfect because I always just kind of touch them up after. I have seen a lot of people use the Inglot Duraline with these little shadows. I think the one I'm gonna use is Tender. Again, these are Dawn Eyes Cosmetics. It's just like a little sample guide. They do have full-size ones. I can get this open. The only thing is I got the samples and they come in those little like clamshell things. Spill them always. Carefully open it. And it just looks pink in the package. But once you swatch it, you'll see a green shift. And I got some on a flat brush and I'm just gonna tap that on. The only thing that would make me want to buy the Chaos ones is they come pressed, and I prefer pressed over powder any day. But I wanted to make sure that it was something that I actually liked and would want to wear before I, went ham. I kind of want to put this other one, which is Magical, which I almost used just on the edge, what she looks like in the container. Put it out here. I feel like this is either going to turn out really cool or really tragic, so stay tuned. Take a little bit of Grape, which is just this guy. Tiny little angled brush. And I'm gonna go back in and clean up this line of the cut crease. These shadows are really pretty though. I hope you can see. I hope that they're translating as duochromy as they are. I'm gonna dip in just the teeniest bit to this black just to deepen the outer corner a little bit, because why not? Now we're here. Let's do it. Hopefully I feel like a liner and lashes might help this. Ooh, maybe I want to do this. I'm gonna put this on the cut crease. Okay, this is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Pyro. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go in and do a wing. I'm just gonna use my Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black. Oof. We had one good wing and then one wing that just wanted to do its own thing. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Ciate black liner for my lower lash line. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use Jackie Lashes, my absolute favorite. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop these lashes on and some mascara, of course, and I'll be right back. All right, loves, this is what we are looking at. Of course, I feel like it looks much better with a wing and lashes. Super impressed with this so far. Let's go ahead and do my inner corner highlight. I'm going to use the AOA pigment in Orb. I'm going to spritz a brush. It's just a pencil brush. I don't even BH Cosmetics, just from one of their kits. Dip in a bit, pressed into the brush in the cap. And just tap it on that inner corner. Boom! So intense. If you are fair, I definitely recommend trying this guy out. Or if you just really like a intense inner corner highlight like I do. I'm gonna put a little tiny bit under the brow too. A little tiny bit, looks like a lot though, because she is bright. Because I'm gonna film that AOA video, I'm gonna go ahead and use Ravish so I can, it'll be on my cheeks so you guys can see what it looks like in that favorites video, which you probably saw before this one. If not, you'll see it soon. I'm gonna go ahead and use Astro from Shop Miss A. It's one of their paletters. Messy, beautiful little booger, I can tell you that. F19 highlight brush from, you guessed it, Shop Miss A. How do they make it so affordable but like so good? I don't know. Pop this on here, pop it on the nose, pop it on the ear, chin. Ooh, she got some texture going, girl. Okay, I'm gonna do lips. I'm gonna go with this Wet n Wild Lay Down the Mauves liner, lip liner. Going in messy per usual because we're gonna clean it up because that's just what I seem to do. I am, again, because of that video, I'm gonna use this AOA lipstick. We'll do another video where it's like all AOA soon, but I just really wanted to play with these. So, what we did. Clean up my lips a little bit with just some concealer. Just gonna use my Milani one that I used under my eyes today to conceal and perfect. Any concealer obviously does for this. I'll just grab anything. Let me go on a lighten a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of this cashmere cream from BH and just kind of pop it in the middle. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this lip pop in, what are you? City Girl from AOA. Oh, she dark. Alright, loves, this is a completed look. I hope you guys liked it. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it either way. I'm really impressed by this palette. These little duochrome shadows are so pretty. Again, they're from Dawn Eyes Cosmetics. I'll leave a link down below. When I bought these, everything was 30% off. And again, the ones I got were just like the sample size, and they're decent. Like, you're gonna probably get, I would say, 5 to 10 uses out of them if you're doing like all over the lid, but that way you can at least see if you like them or not, but it is obviously a better deal to get the full size. I think they have 3 size options, so there will be a size there for you if you want to try any of them. I think that's everything. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing well. Just know I am thinking about you, and I love you so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. And P.S. let me know what kind of video you want to see next. Let me know what kind of makeup tutorial you want to see next. What kind of look. Let a girl know. Maybe we'll do something a little more neutral. Neutral? I don't know. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. You know when like you just like need a day where you put on your face and you're like, okay, I want to feel cute today. And now I just feel like a goblin. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use Nebula, not Nebula, whoops.